So over here on the top right hand side, you can see the histogram of Adobe Camera RAW, which indicates like what part of the image is bright and dark. So it shows the histogram for individual color, but to understand it, let's just change the color profile onto monochrome right here. So you see only one color range. So you can see that there's highlights areas over here and there's dark areas over here. So if I were to go around and see, there's totally dark areas, that means totally black areas, and there's no total bright areas. But if I were to go around and click and drag this, then you can see that you can go around and change this out as well, and the bright areas actually increases. But as soon as I pull this down, you can see that I can bring this down even further right here, and then you can see that I get the details of the sky. Similarly, I can go around and drag in the black, and I can see that it balances it out right here. So I can go around and move around the histogram, as you can see, to get back more details. Same goes with the color as well. So you can go around and click and drag out right here to get more details out right here as well, just like this, and then balance everything out. But whatever I work with in monochrome, it stays as well. And just like this, you can go around and click and drag out and then balance out the levels of the color that you have right here. Apart from that, you can also go around and show clipping warning right here. Clipping warning for the dark and clipping warning for the bright right here. So what happens is that if I were to go too dark, then it shows blue right here, as you can see. So when it shows blue, that means it is totally black and is not working, is totally black and is not recommended. Usually in pictures, total blacks and total whites are not usually suggested. But as I go around and push this even more right here, let's say for example, then what happens is that I start getting total whites as well. So as I go around over here and enable out the mask right here, you can see red spots right here, which are total whites right here. So as I push, you can see that I get red right here. That means total brights right here. So you want to make sure that whenever you're enabling out the clipping mask, the clipping right here, you want to make sure that there is no total blacks or white, or you can turn this off as well. So that is how you can interact with histogram directly inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.